Hello, trader. Hope that you had an enjoyable trading day. So, looking at gold after the whole week of pullback, and we can see gold again pushing high to the resistance level for a deeper pullback. Now, looking at first of all higher time frame to see overall direction in the market on gold, what we can see that from the monthly, this is a long term bull market. Previous months and the month before, we have seen there are two long week candles, which is basically a very strong rejection from this resistance line on gold. And with that rejection, what we can expect gold now to retest the monthly resistance and then to drop down to create a new lower low. Now, if we look at the weekly chart to see a bit more clearer picture, we can see that from the weekly, there is a huge bearish engulfer followed by another weekly liquidity candle formation, and we can see that now this week so far with the market open initial pullback, expecting gold to drop down again to create a new lower low. As this market started to break below, expecting gold to drop down below this support level to create new lower low. Now, looking at the daily chart to see how the market might be doing, we can see this is the NFP candle. Past week we have seen a huge breakdown. Now, this week so far we can see there was a big move, but it's in a pullback. So that pullback might lead now gold to again to go back up to this liquidity zone before breaking down and to create a new lower low. Now, looking at the further lower time frame, we can see that gold from the intraday perspective, there is a huge drop here, pullback, another drop, pullback, expecting gold to go up and break this resistance line where there is a massive amount of liquidity gathering here. So we could see gold ultimately retesting and then can expect it to break below as there is a head and shoulder, and we might see that gold is grabbing liquidity and then dropping down in that direction. So looking at the 15-minute chart on gold, what we can see from the lower time frame, this is a resistance here, long-term resistance, and also you see there is a long week candle, a liquidity grab from that resistance. We might see another attempt from the buyers to break either this high, as there is a high liquidity above this level. We will be looking for potential selling opportunity on gold from this level. As soon as we find suitable entry, we will be looking for going short on gold with a high probability trade setup. Traders, if you enjoy this analysis, make sure that you give a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. Thank you, and I'll see you soon in my next analysis.